What is going on, everyone? I'm Nick Thunder here at Steelhead Harley-Davidson, and this is Bike of the Week. On this week's edition of Bike of the Week, I'm super excited about what we have here today. Number 1,136 out of 2,500 units made in total. This is the 2026 Super Glide Revival. There's been a ton of interest surrounding this motorcycle. I think a lot of it has to do with this idea that Harley-Davidson as a company might finally be getting back to its roots, to what made the company so special to so many people for so many years. And you see that in their marketing initiatives, their new platform, Ride, and all of the videos and marketing around this are focused around passing on the experience of riding a Harley-Davidson to the next generation. There are videos of guys pulling up at stoplights, at gas stations, and seeing the glimmer in a child's eyes when they see it. It's more than just a cool motorcycle. It's a signal to the motorcycling community that things might finally be changing direction.
We're good.
I love all of the chrome accents, the pearl white with the vintage inspired paint on the side. Everything that made this bike what it was in the 70s has been brought back, modernized, updated for today's rider, but still has the soul that we're looking for in our Harley-Davidsons. The release of this motorcycle comes in conjunction with some other big announcements and another really significant release. You've got the Deadwood being released, which is basically a stripped down Heritage with a smoked windshield and a couple other modifications. But it's a bike with soul, not a lot of frills, right? This is that also. And it's a reflection of the direction that the company wants to move in the future. And the big announcement that they made just earlier this year, not everyone has heard this yet. Harley has announced that they are bringing back the Evo Sportster, something that Harley riders have been asking for over a decade, almost 2 decades now. They've been asking to just bring back the Evo, just bring back the Sportster. So all of these things combined suggest that someone upstairs is listening and making the changes necessary to move this company in the right direction going forward. Now, there are some significant differences, obviously. This is a modern motorcycle. It is inspired by the original, but it has all the modern touches. It has your ABS, your traction control, your ride modes, LED headlights, the 117 Milwaukee-Eight. Pushing a lot more power than the Super Glide did in 1971. But the paint is original style, the mini-apes, pretty much everything about this, right down to the rim, the drop center spoked rim, is an homage to that original FX Super Glide. Now, we've had just so much interest about these motorcycles. We've had, I think, 3 or 4 come through the shop already, and none of them lasted more than 24 hours, which is part of why I'm so excited to get to ride this motorcycle today, because this one has been here. This one lasted for more than 24 hours, so I finally have a night. It happened to be on the night that I do my Bike of the Week videos, so I get to take this out for a ride. Finally, I've been waiting for months to get this on the road and see what she feels like. So I am super, super excited about the 27 product line, and I am super excited to ride this thing today. Sun's going down. It's about 72 degrees. Gonna be a beautiful little rip. Let's go. This is fun. Oh, this is a fun motorcycle. 117 on a bike with this little weight. Wow, no kidding. Genuinely no joke. This is the most fun bike I have ridden all year long, and I'm 20 seconds into the ride. This is just one of the coolest base model Harley-Davidsons that has been produced in a very long time. Oh yeah. That's a fun motorcycle right there. Woo! Good time. All the marketing behind this, you know, it is really hard to trust marketing and you know, it's very vibe oriented these days. You know, they sell vibes. They don't talk about the spec of the motorcycle very much and all the features and the details. It's all vibe marketing. But I gotta tell you, on this one, the vibes come through to the ride. Oh man. Yes! This is a killer bike. Number 1,136 out of 2,500. I don't know about the rest of the 2,499, but this one right here, a ton of fun. Definitely my favorite bike of the year, hands down. That was super fun. And Super Glide pulling into the lot at sunset. It's a great feeling, not gonna lie. Come down and see us this week. Check out this bike. Like I said, probably my favorite bike of the year I've ridden so far. It is just beautiful, super fun ride. We'll see you guys soon.